To request transcripts and letters of recommendation, you will need to log into Naviance. On the district's homepage, click on the first icon on the left under the images. Then enter your school email, and the password is your 6-digit student ID number. When you get to the Family Connection page, click on the Colleges tab. Then click on Colleges I'm applying to. On this page, you will be able to indicate which institutions you are applying to, how you are applying, and request your transcripts. If you are using the Common application, you will need to complete the Common App Account Matching blue box. Simply enter the email address you used to create your Common App account and your date of birth. Then click Match. This will allow us to send your letters of recommendation, transcripts, and other necessary forms to the Common application. If you are not using the Common application, you do not need to complete the blue box at all. But both applications, whether it be your institutional application or your Common application schools you apply to, need to be listed in your Naviance account. Click Add to this list under the blue box to add your schools. Here you can search for the schools by using the lookup button. Type the name of the school that you are interested in applying to and click Go. Help us with a couple of these questions. For type, tell us what type of application you are completing. Is it a priority application, an early action, or an early decision? If it is early decision, be sure to have a conversation with your counselor and your parents. Many of you will be applying regular decision or early action. Once you have submitted your admission application, you can click the Request box to request your transcripts to be sent to the institution. Also, let us know that you've submitted your application by clicking the box here. Scroll down and click Add Colleges. The next screen asks you to indicate to us what type of application you have completed. For now, we will leave it as I am not sure yet. Then click Update Applications. All of the colleges you have entered will appear under the blue box. Let's highlight what you have indicated so far. Here is the college name. The type was EA for early action. The next question, how are you applying? This is very important, especially if you see the phrase, I am not sure yet. For example, Augustana College accepts both their institutional application and the Common application. Which one did you complete? Click on I am not sure to indicate the application. If you use the Common application, you would select via Common App. If you used Augustana's application, you would select directly to the institution. Then click Update Applications. Scroll down, and you can now see that because we selected directly to the institution, there is a red line through the CA in the computer screen that stands for Common Application. That means that you did not use the Common application, and we can submit transcripts and letters of recommendation directly to Augustana instead of the Common application. For transcript, it shows that the transcript has been requested and that your application has been submitted. Once you receive a decision from Augustana, you can let us know the result by clicking on the Edit Pencil icon. To request letters of recommendation, scroll to the top and click on the Colleges tab. Then click on Letters of Recommendation. It is advised you verbally ask your recommender in person if they would like to write a letter of recommendation for you first, then request the letter in Naviance. Click Add Request and select the teacher. You can also let your recommender know if you would like their letter to be sent to specific colleges or colleges, all of the colleges and future colleges that you will be applying to. Please also include a personal note to your recommender for writing a letter of recommendation for you. If you are using the Common Application, you should also let them know in this box so they know to complete the teacher evaluation form and the letter of recommendation that may be required. Then click Submit Request. This will essentially link their Naviance account to yours so they can send their documentation on your behalf to the colleges you are applying to. This Naviance electronic letter of recommendation request is solely for educators who work at WTHS. Please inform your counselor that you are applying via Common App to the specific colleges and universities by sending them a personal email. As always, if you have questions about requesting transcripts or letters of recommendation or updating your college applications, please let your counselor or post-secondary counselors know. We would be glad to help.